Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to send automated SMS to housing.com leads. Housing.com is India's most innovative real estate advertising platform. So here I want, whenever I receive a new lead through housing.com, then I wish to send an automated SMS to that lead. So here to send an automated message, I'm using ClickSend. It is a business communication software. So now I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be housing.com and my action application will be ClickSend. So to learn how I set up the integration between these two, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to send SMS to housing.com leads. Housing.com is India's most innovative real estate advertising platform for homeowners, landlords, developers, and real estate brokers. The company offers listings for new homes, resale homes, rentals, and co-living spaces in India. So here my objective is that whenever I receive a new lead through housing.com, then I want to send a SMS to that lead through ClickSend. Now to do this, I will have to integrate both of these applications. So for that, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will simply sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. Now this here is the dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give a name to my workflow, and I have named it as send SMS to housing.com leads. And here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as housing.com, and now I will click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application. So moving to my use case, that is to send SMS to housing.com leads. So here in my trigger window, I will be using the trigger application as housing.com. So I will search over here. So housing.com offers listings for new homes, resale homes, rentals, plots, and co-living spaces in India. And it is India's most innovative real estate advertising platform. So here in my trigger application, I'm selecting housing.com. And here in my trigger event, I'm going to select the trigger event as new leads. So here my objective is that every time I will receive a new lead through housing.com, then automatically the details of that lead should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm selecting new leads as the trigger event. So here you can see that a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully. Now to automate lead capture, we have to copy this above webhook URL and configure it in the housing.com account that you have. So you have to reach out to your account manager from housing.com. Now why you have to do this? Because housing.com portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. So that is why you are supposed to reach your account manager from housing.com. So you need to send this webhook URL to your housing.com point of contact or the backend team. Once you have done that, then you are supposed to capture the webhook response. So here I'm going to follow the same process to get the webhook response. So here I've got the response. Here you can see the mobile number, last name, first name, email, location, and the area. That means the information of the lead is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is done. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through housing.com, then automatically the details of that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as the first step is done, so moving to the next step, that is to send SMS to housing.com leads. So here in my action window, to send the SMS, I'm going to use ClickSend. So I'm searching here for ClickSend, and here it is. And now I need to select the action event. Over here, the action event will be to send SMS, and here it is. And now I need to establish a connection between my ClickSend account and Pabbly Connect. So I will simply click on connect. And here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the username and the API key. So read this instruction given below carefully. To get the above details, you have to log into your ClickSend account, click on the developers menu on the down left and select API credentials in the sidebar. So here this is my ClickSend account and I will go to developers, and in developers I will go to API credentials. And here this is the username and the API key. So firstly I will copy the API key and I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the API key, and now I will copy the username from here and I'm going to paste the same over here, and now I will click on save. And here you can see that ClickSend and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So moving to mobile number, over here I need to enter the mobile number to whom I want to send the message. That means here I need to mention the lead's mobile number. So over here from the response received, I will map the mobile number. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from housing.com, so I will map the mobile number and I've mapped it. Moving to from, so if you have a dedicated ClickSend number that you have purchased, so you can use it over here, or you can leave this field blank. So as of now, I'm leaving this field blank. Going to the message, over here, I need to frame a message that I want to send to the lead. So this here is the message that I want to send to the lead. It goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our relationship manager will get in touch with you soon. If you have any queries, you can reach us at housing@pabblytudes.com, marketing team housing.com. So over here after hello, I want to mention the lead name. So here I'm going to map the first name and now I'm going to map the last name. So here I've mapped the name of the lead. So now this method of mapping is important so that every time your workflow runs, it will receive some new data. So that new data should be gathered over here in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, even when my workflow was running in real time, it wouldn't have taken the new data and the workflow would have become static. So to avoid this, we map the information. So over here now, whenever a new lead will be received through housing.com, then automatically in the fields of number and message, the details of new lead will be added by replacing the old lead details and the workflow will run smoothly. So over here, if you want to add a scheduled time for your message, so you can do that. But as of now, I want to send this message immediately, so I'm leaving it blank. So now moving to source, over here, I want to mention the source as housing.com. So I'm going to mention it. And after doing this, I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And here you can see that I have received the response and it is a positive response and the message is queued for delivery. Here you can see the message body as well. This is how the message will be sent. So now I will show you the message that was sent to the lead. So this here is the message that has been sent. It goes as, hello demo user, thank you for your response. Our relationship manager will get in touch with you soon. If you have any queries, you can reach us at housing@pabblytudes.com, marketing team housing.com. So that means the message has been sent successfully to the housing.com lead. So this integration and automation was successful. Now, whenever a new lead will be received through housing.com, then automatically a SMS will be sent to that lead through ClickSend.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.